Hi, in this video we will see what is STDEVP function in Tableau and how to use this function. So this function stands for population standard deviation. So it is basically return the population standard deviation of any particular expression. And there's one thing that the expression that we are using inside the function that should contain only numeric data. So this function is a aggregate function. So it only works with the numeric data. It does not work with the data which contains uh, string values or in date time values. So in order to create this function, let's create one calculation. Here, the title and type the function. As you can see here, this function only takes one input as an expression. So in this case, we have expression like discount, profit, quantity, sales, those which only contains numeric data. And on the right side, we can see the definition of this function. So it says this function returns the population standard deviation of the expression. So for example, if I take the example of quantity, this value will return the population standard deviation of quality. After creating this function, if I take this field and drop it onto the text, so we can simply see the total value. But if you want to see the population standard deviation of particular category subcategory, so simply drag the subcategory on the row and take this field that we have just created and drop it onto our table. So now we can see here the population standard deviation of each of the subcategory. So as you can see here, there are accessories, art, binders, bookcases, and each of the subcategory have the unique standard deviation, population standard deviation. And this is the standard population standard deviation of quantity. So if you want to change it, so I'll go back to my field again, click on edit. So instead of quantity, we can simply write another expression, for example, sales. Now we can see the value has been changed. Now it is showing the population standard deviation of sales of each of the subcategory. And instead of sales, if I write the profit on apply, so we can see the standard population standard deviation of each of the subcategory according to the profit. So this is how we can use the STDEVP function in Tableau, which is simply basically return the population standard deviation of any expression. So this is how we can use this function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video. And